Welcome back. Just a simple video today. This is the disc lock I've been using for about 2 years since I've had the bike. It's the Covix KD6 and I like it very much. It's done well. It's been bouncing around in the top box, as you can see. Just lately though, I've noticed it's making funny beeps when I lock it or unlock it, so I'm thinking maybe the battery's dead, so I'm going to check. But I thought I'd explain to you how it works and the tip I've got as well. Now, I would strongly recommend using this on the front brake disc of this particular bike rather than the back, for the simple reason that there isn't one. And although they give you the size of the bolt to go into the disc, you'll find it doesn't actually matter. KD6 means that the shackle in the middle there is 6mm in diameter, and I've seen people asking on the forums what's the diameter of these holes here, so they can make sure it fits. I've never actually checked. 7mm, but it doesn't actually matter because, as you can see, you don't have to go through the hole. You can reach these big bits here, no problem. Where did I put the keys? Oh, in the lock. And yeah, as you can see, a little bit of movement, it's not going to set it off if somebody knocks the bike or something, but if they try and roll it, or if they try and take it off in any way, it's definitely going to get set off. It's quite a clever design. Every other time you close the lock, it will either arm or not arm. So this time it doesn't arm, so that's when you put it in your top box. You don't want it going off while you're carrying it or in your pocket. And then the next time you close the lock, it does arm. Waits a few seconds, and then it's armed. I wouldn't normally be holding it. Now I'm kind of nervous actually. And then if you jog it too much, you have a few seconds to unlock it before the alarm goes off. The problem I had after a while was that the battery compartment started coming undone by itself. The screw to undo it is in the bottom there. I'm sure you can't see it. It's a 3mm Allen key, and you have to have the lock open to reach it, but it would just undo itself. I've been fortunate to find the screw in the bottom of my top box once or twice and put it back together. Anyway, so I'll show you how we stop that happening in a moment. So let's open it for now. Okay, there's the screw. And then the battery compartment can slide off like that. And the electronic part is here. As I moved it past the magnetic sensor there, it thought it was being closed. So under the rubber, yeah, there it is. There we go. Under the rubber cover here, we see the battery. You know what, my favourite tool on the Swiss Army knife is probably just this simple flathead screwdriver end here that just gets used for opening things all the time. Next favourite tool is the magnifying glass. I don't even know what a CR2 battery should be. Let me just check it. 3 volts, it's a 3-volt battery. I should say cell, really, shouldn't I? So let's check it. I'll go there. Well, 3. So it should work fine. I'll get a new one on order anyway, so I can change it when the time does come. Right, let's put it back together. So it goes in there. Make sure the rubber seal is closed properly. And then that's got grooves, so it will only drop in that way. And there's the cover. Right, here's the tip. To stop screw threads from coming apart, we use Loctite, and it comes in a couple of varieties. There's the permanent one and the sort of semi-permanent or temporary one. The blue one here is the normal strength. So we don't want loads because we do want to be able to undo this screw, but I'm just going to put a drop on the thread there. Oh, there we go. And then just screw it in. As usual, give it a firm pressure. Okay, don't disturb that for a while, obviously. And then I've just found, you know, for a good year and a half since doing it the first time, the screw never shook loose again. Hope you found that helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.